Hello, this is Brandon with the Bain Group, and today we'll be looking at 10 useful tips for Microsoft OneNote. We'll be breaking this into a two-part series, so here are the first tips we will be covering in part one. Grouping pages, opening a new window, taking quick notes, adding meeting details, and emailing meeting notes. The first useful tip is grouping pages. Grouping pages is good for the organization of your notes, and by simply clicking and dragging the page to the right, creates that page into a subnote of the note above, and you're able to do two tiers of these indents. These groupings are also collapsible and expandable, which makes finding your past notes that much easier. The next tip is to open a new window. Now, under the View tab in the ribbon, there's a New Window button, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Control-M. This is a useful tip if you need to compare notes on two different pages. You can put those side by side, have both open, and use those to compare. The next tip is to include meeting details into your notes. If you have meetings or events set in your Outlook calendar, and both your Outlook and your OneNote are linked to the same account, you can add the details of those meetings into your notes. In the Home tab of the ribbon, you'll see we have a Meeting Details button. When we go ahead and click on that, it's going to show us all the meetings we have throughout the day, and we can even choose a meeting in another day. So if I go ahead and add this meeting and click Insert Details, it's going to auto-populate some information into our note. You can see that the title of our meeting becomes our note, and then we have some additional details. Meeting date, location, link to the Outlook item, invitation message, and participants. The participants are particularly helpful in tracking attendance in your meetings. The next tip goes hand in hand with adding meeting details, and that's emailing meeting notes. Once you've completed your notes and they're ready to send out to all your participants, right next to that meeting details button is an email page button. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to open up an email pop-up for you to send out your notes to your participants. Here you can add in some additional information, and if they're part of your team and they have access to your OneNote, you can also provide them with a link to this particular OneNote. Thank you for joining me on part one of these tips and tricks on Microsoft Outlook. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss part two.